Hey my angels, it's Aidette, and today I'm going to be doing a dedicated haul to PrettyLittleThing. I have honestly been such a big fan of PrettyLittleThing since the longest. They have super cute, affordable clothing with great quality. So pretty much today I'm going to be doing a little talk through, try on haul, see if you guys like this style some more. And if you guys do, I'll continue to do videos like this. So the first piece that I actually wore today is this angel top. It is the cutest thing ever. I got it a little bit oversized. I believe I got this in a size large. I got it oversized just because I love wearing them as t-shirt dresses, and the print is amazing. I saw this all over Instagram once and I died for it. I just think that it's such a simple but statement piece. This is one of those pieces that you can dress up or down, so you can wear these with some sneakers, which is where I normally go to, or if I want to be a little bit more fancy but comfy at the same time, I like to wear them with booties, which is how I wore them today. Also, you can pair this with a furry jacket, and in this case I do have a furry jacket here from PLT. So I have this cream colored puffer jacket, and it just has like a wool texture on the outside, which I appreciate so much. It makes it kind of more of like a comfy, cozy vibe. So with this t-shirt dress, if I wanted to dress it up, I could just throw this puffer on. So you could either wear it like this off the shoulder. I would probably scrunch this up and tie it up into a knot and wear it with some jeans and some booties, or you could just wear it how it's supposed to be, like this. So this next piece that I'm showing you guys is a little bit more oversized, and I love it because it's extra comfy, and I just love to throw in a fanny pack with it so I can cinch up my waist but still be super comfy, and then just throw on like some sneakers. Plain pieces like this are so amazing because I can just pair with some sneakers, put on a fanny pack to cinch in the waist. So this is the fanny pack that I got. This one just says PrettyLittleThing in embroidery, and it's a suede material. I'll just place the fanny pack right here, right in the center, and then I'll just adjust it until I feel like I like the vibe, you know? And these are actually the shoes that I wore with this outfit. I loved it so much just because it was super easy to pair and wear. Sneakers, they're very plain but still very sporty and trendy and athletic looking. So I'm 5'1", and this is how the t-shirt fits me. But if you guys do want an alternative to be able to wear some shorts or pants under, I do have some really cute biker shorts. These biker shorts are in a little bit of a more different color. I wanted to kind of expand the colors that I do wear, and I thought that it was a really pretty fun color. So these are the shorts here. They're like a seafoam green, I would say, almost like a bluish turquoise. Really cute and unique color, and these are in a size US 6. So this is how it looks like with the shorts, but I would grab my shirt and just knot it up here on the side and just kind of have it like this, so you can still see the t-shirt that is oversized, but you can also see the biker shorts. And since I do have a black fanny pack, I did want to incorporate some black for my shoes just so everything is kind of evened out, so I would pair these with these black sneakers. For this next outfit, this one is very fun. It's super bright, so you're definitely going to be catching a lot of attention with this one, but I love it because it's so unique. It's super bright and out there. Even though this one is very bright and out there, I actually feel very comfortable in it. The material is very soft and nice and form-fitting, so it makes you feel really good. This is the top right here, and then here are the matching bottoms. This top is really nice since it does give you that low cut, but you also do have some coverage with these two straps across the chest. And then this is where the shorts kind of meet, right here in the middle between my thigh and my knee. And also guys, do keep in mind that I am 5'1", so it can kind of vary how it looks like on me and you. And as I'm sure you guys can tell, I am obsessed with sets. They're just very easy to pair. You just throw it on and you're out the door if you need something quick and easy. What I'm wearing right now actually isn't meant to be a set, but they did have similar camel colors, so I just went with it. So this here is the top. It's actually meant to be a bikini top, but I love pairing bikini tops with bottoms like this just because, you know, it looks like a bralette. And then here is the band. It just says PLT, which I think is super cute. These two together complement each other so well. And this next ensemble is one of the most comfiest pieces that I got from the pieces that I showed you guys. It feels literally like you're really not really wearing anything, but it feels so free, and even though it is a bodycon, it gives you a nice shape. Really cute but sultry at the same time, but you're comfy. So it's a huge win-win because you're looking really good, and at the same time you feel like you literally have nothing on. You're super comfy. This is the dress here. It has this black lacing, and then it has this beautiful cheetah leopard print. And since I am so short, this actually goes past my feet, so I would wear some heels or booties with this one. Then for these pieces, these are a little bit more simple, more casual, something that you can wear on an everyday basis. I would honestly wear all of this on an everyday basis, but for those of you that like to wear a little bit more of the simple, safe items, I would definitely recommend this one. It's super comfy. It's a nice cotton material, very form-fitting, and it's just this pretty like seafoam green color. I feel like this is kind of the same color as these shorts that I showed you guys earlier, and it meets right here, just a little bit above my belly belly button, and then I also have it paired with these jeans right here. These are double-sided cut up. So if we look to the front, literally everything is cut out throughout the leg. And then if we go to the back, everything is literally sliced up, which I think is very different and super cool. So if you guys are looking for more of an edgy look to spice up your casual look, these jeans are for you. Also, these jeans do have more of a comfortable boyfriend feel, and they're also cuffed on the bottom. Also guys, public service announcement, this is not a want. Actually, it is a want, but it's also a huge need. These PLT sweats, guys, are like nothing I've ever felt before. They are so comfy, very warm, and amazingly fitting. So first off, let's talk about this outfit. This is probably one of my favorite outfits that I did pick up. So I just have this stone colored crop top, and it just cinches right here, so it makes you look very snatched and cute. And for the sweats, guys, these are in a navy shade. They're nice and comfortably loose at the top and throughout the leg as well, but then they also do have that cuffing here at the bottom. So although these are sweats, they do still flatter your body, which is a huge plus because cute and comfy. That's basically how I would describe PLT: cute and also very comfy. And I wore this outfit to go run some errands. It was so comfy, like it made the day so amazing. And then I paired it with these white little sneakers. They just made everything so much more comfy. Love them. And while we're on the topic of shoes, can we talk about these PLT socks? Oh my god. Saw these, I literally knew I needed to snatch them up right away. They're just these white socks with the black monogram all over it. And I think that these are a really cute way to just spice up some white sneakers like the ones that I just showed you guys right now if you want like a little pop. Or even if you want to wear these with the black sneakers that I showed you guys earlier, just pop these on with some biker shorts and a plain oversized tee. Bomb outfit, super cute. And the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys. Would this actually be an Aidette haul without me showing you guys a new pair of slides? It wouldn't be, honestly. These are baby pink and fluffy. The quality of the fluff is actually insane. It just moves with you and looks so luxurious, so I love these. These are in a size 5 US. Then here we have the epitome of a fall autumn outfit. Like, this is so cute, very comfy. It's a long sleeve, but it is a thin material, so it's very airy, and even if the day gets a little hotter throughout the day and then it's colder at night, this would be a perfect outfit. So I'm sure many of you can relate if you live in SoCal. So during the day it's pretty hot, and then at night it does get super chilly in the fall time. This is the top here. It just has a tie in the middle, and I think that that just adds some more character. Very cute and girly. And as for the pants, it's just the matching color. And when I saw this piece on the side, this is just a little jacket that you can pretty much customize, I feel like, since it does have this zipper as the collar. You can wear it so many ways. I was so excited because first off, my favorite color, baby pink, and on top of that, I just felt like it was very comfy looking and trendy. So with the collar, you can just lay it down flat as if it's just normal collar, or you could pop it up and zip up halfway right here, or even all the way. It really just depends on your mood, but if I was to wear a bun, I would definitely probably wear it like this. And this top really stood out to me when I was looking throughout the site because it's very unique, and it also does have like a satin PLT monogram all over it, and it's also in a handkerchief style, and the back is backless, so I never really seen anything like it before. And this top really reminded me a lot of Halloween, since it of course does have orange and black, so it just has upgrade that it was really sassy and fun to play around with. It has a really nice flattering cut to it. I love all these pieces since they are so flattering and form-fitting. This is what it looks like from the front. And for my shorts, these are very different. These are also some biker shorts, but these are a little bit of a thicker material, so these are a little bit more sturdy. It does have a zipper pocket, and this pocket does actually open, so you can even store keys in here if you were to go to the gym or something. Be stylish at the gym, you know? What I really liked about these biker shorts is not only the color, but also the quality and the lining that it does have across it. It looks really cool, and for me, it reaches a lot longer than the other shorts. It's right here, like right above my knee. And another accessory, I did get this PLT monogram headband. It's gonna be super cute to wear at the gym, or an everyday headband just for running errands. And then I do have the same print for this set. I actually made this into a set. It does come separately, but this is the top. This one is a little bit of a darker taupe shade. This one has more of a satiny feel to it, and then while the joggers here are very comfy, these are a little bit looser than the sweats that I showed you guys earlier, and these are a little bit of a lighter brown in color. So if you guys want to be extra comfy, these pants are definitely the move because they're a lot baggier, but they also do have a good fit still. And for the ankle, I did kind of scrunch it up at the bottom since I am so short. And for this next piece, it's also a brighter orange shade, which I love. So this is just a bodycon orange dress, and you can wear it on the daily with just a jean jacket or dress it up with a furry coat. And this next piece, I actually saw Kim K wear something similar to it, so when I saw it on the site, I picked it up so fast. So this is the dress. It has a cutout in the center, which is really unique to me, and it has this beautiful pink tone, which is my favorite. And then this is it from the back. Alright my angels, so that is all for today's PLT haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, the new style that I did where I showed you guys everything and tried it on and also talked about the detailing at the same time. So let me know if you guys want some more videos like this, and I will talk to my angels in the next video.